Welcome, in front of me is a MEDION E5005, and today I will show you how to boot your device into factory mode. So to start off the process, we'll need to shut off the device, hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device is off, we want to hold a volume down and the power key. So volume down, power key. And once you see the logo, you can let go. And we're now in the factory mode. So from here you will use volume down to navigate, like so, and power key will be used to confirm. And as you can see, you can run auto test, manual test, item test, test reports, debug test, clear AMC. It's basically a hard reset of the device, and version and reboot. I'm just gonna example select the reboot to boot back up into the normal system and confirm it with power key. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access and also leave the factory mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.